Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. As we know guys that widgets can be added to your phone's home screen as a quick way to access certain information from apps without having to open app itself. For example is the calendar widget, which provides a quick view of the upcoming event in your calendar without having to open the calendar application. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Google Widget on your Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, firstly, you have to long press on your home screen until menu appearing like this. And then you can tap on Widget, click, and then you can select the apps that you want to set as a widget on your home screen. So now we wanna choose Google, and you can choose about being a glance, or you can choose next slide for search engine, or you can choose sound search. And I choose this one for search engine and then click add to desktop. Alright, the search engine of Google appearing on the desktop. Here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.